Alright, I think there's a mistake here. Mistake here. Now look at this question. I say 6h equals 2k plus 9. ph equals plus 4k equals, right? Like I said, the first thing you need to do, solution, rearrange okay. When you say rearrange the equation, I have 6h. This is what? We cross and becomes what? Minus 2k equals what? 9. Then this one is complete. 3h plus 4k equals what? 12. Right? Okay. Now can I say this one is what? Equation 1. Equation what? 2. Alright? I want to eliminate k. Alright? I'll say I'll multiply equation 1 by equation of k in equation 2, which is what? 4. I multiply equation 2 by equation of k in equation 1, which is what? Minus 2. Alright? These are what? Minus 2. My answer 4 times 6 will give me what? 4 times 6 is what? 4 times 6 is what? I mean 4 times 6 each is what? 24 each. Right? Then 4 times minus 2k is what? Minus 8k. Equals 4 times 9 is what? 36, not 38. Right? 36, not 38. Okay. Now, I use minus 2 times 3h, give me what? Minus 6h. Minus 2 times plus 4k, give me what? Minus 4 minus 8k, right?
Yes.
Then equals minus 2 times minus 2 is what? Minus 24. Alright? Okay. Then after that, I'll say subtract. I said subtract. Yeah, I label this one as equation 3. This one as equation 4. You get? Alright, so subtract equation 4 from 3. Alright? So subtract. Now I'll say 24h minus bracket minus 6h. Are you seeing me? Okay. I'm subtracting it. Okay, let me see. Then minus 8k minus 8k. And equals 36 minus 24. Right? So I have 24h minus and minus what? Plus. Equals, sorry, then minus 8k plus minus and minus what? Plus 8k. Are you with me? And equals to this one what? 36 plus what? 24. Alright? Okay. And 24h, this is h. 24h plus 6h will be what? 30h. Minus 8k minus plus 8k is out at 0, right? Okay. And equals 36 plus 24 will give me what? 60. I say me. So time to divide both sides by what?
3.
By what?
30.
30. So 30h all over 30 equals 60 all over 30. So 30 cancels 30. I have my a is what? 2. I say no. That's 2. Alright? Okay. Are you done with this one?
Yes.
Okay. Now I've gotten my h as what? 2. I said substitute substitute h for 2 in equation. Let me use equation 1. Alright, I've been using equation 1. Let me use equation 2. Hey there. Now equation 2 is what? See my equation 2. 3h plus 4k equals what? 12. That's equation 2. That is 3h plus 4k equals what? 12. Which means anything I see h, I should replace h with what? 2. Right? I have 3 into bracket. Instead of my h, I put what? 2 plus 4k equals what? 12. Right? Okay, so this one give me what? 6h. 6 plus 4k equals what? 12. Are you there? Then now what? Collect what? Like terms. My 4k will come here equals 12. This plus to cross and becomes what?
Minus 6.
Nice one. So 4k equals 12 minus 6 is what? 6, right? Okay. So what should I do here?
Divide those by
By 4. So 4k all over 4 equals 6 all over 4, right? 4 cancel 4, right? So my k is what? Cancel this one, 2 here, 3, 2 here, 2, right? Then it's going to be 1 all over what? 2. And my k is what? 1 all over 1 all over 2. Do you get me? That is, my h is what? 2. My k is 1 all over 1 all over 2. Those are mine. Those are mine. So I'll give you classwork on this method. I'm going to solve 5 questions from the exercise, alright, as classwork. So class, right? So open to page. What page is that? Page. Let me see. Let me. Page. Let me have it.
Say page 14.
Page 14. Alright,
Page
exercise.
138.
Page 139. Page 139. Exercise 14 what? 14D. Question. Let me give you question 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 questions we are going to solve. Alright? 5 questions we are going to solve. Alright, so solve. Alright, let's quickly pick the second method, or the next method, which is now your classwork. I'm going to mark it later. Alright, let's look at substitution method. Do you understand the elimination method now?
Yes.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
You. I presume. Alright, now in oral work, okay, now like I told you earlier, that when you are given two equation with two unknown, you should assume the equation to be what? To be simultaneous linear equation, alright? And you do what? You write the equation one below the other, alright? Okay, now doing the first method, I have stated three major methods of solving quadratic equation or rather simultaneous equation. That means elimination method, substitution method, as well as what graphical method. You can still have word problem, right? Which I say that it has to be what the interpretation of what sentence mathematically they solve it as what as equation. Okay, so that's very well. Now we pick substitution method. We just finished elimination method, of which I believe that you have understood everything based on that. And if there's any question from elimination method, you should be able to what tackle it. Alright? Firstly, you are junior or here, of course, you must surely see something of such, or a question from simultaneous linear equation, and you can understand or rather recall all the principles or the rules that guide this topic. You should be able to solve the equation accurately. Okay, now I say substitution method. First, in elimination method, now discover that when the unknown, when no unknown is one, that's why I'm using what elimination method. But in other words, solution method, at one, at least one or two or three of the equation of the unknown should be what can be what one. So when you discover that one of the unknown have its coefficient to be what one, or two of the unknowns have one coefficient or a one as their coefficient, you can now decide to use substitution method. All right. Now let me pick a question from that angle here. Pick a question. The solve question. Solve the equation using substitution method. All right. Solve the equation using substitution method. I have 2x plus y equals 7. Then I have x minus y equals 2. And you see, to get an equation like this, I said that we have two equations. This command demarcates this one from this. It means that you have two equations. The first one is what? 2x plus y equals 7. The second one is what? X minus y equals what? 2. Alright? Now say solution. We assume because we have two unknowns, so what? X and what? Which are x and y. So write the equation one below the other. First one is what? 2x plus y equals what? 7. Then the second equation, write it below, x minus y equals what? 2. Now, in substitution method, right, we have to make one of the unknown the subject of the formula. That means you can pick right from equation 1, label this one as equation 1, equation 2. Alright? You can pick any of the unknown, either x or y, from either equation 1 or equation 2. You make one of the unknown the subject of the formula. Alright? Okay. I can now say, okay, let me make, say, from equation 2. Right? This is equation 2. X minus y equals 2. Right? I'm going to make this x the subject of the formula, which means I've said x equals to 2. This is minus y, having it will cross and becomes what? Plus y. Alright? That's what I'm going to do. So after making my x is solving the formula, I can find out that the value of my x now is what? 2 plus y, right? Okay, so now say substitute 2 plus y for x in equation 1. That means any place I see x in equation 1, I'll put 2 plus what? Y. Do you get me? And this is my equation 1. Equation 1 is what? 2x plus y equals what? 7. Right? Okay. Then I'll say 2. Instead of my x, I'll put 2. I see what I'm doing. Nice one. Now, plus y equals what? 7. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, the next is what? To move this bracket. Remember, bottomwards. Bracket forward. What? Now, 2 times 2 is what? 4. 2 times plus what gives us what? Plus 2y. Alright? Then plus y equals what? 7. Right? Okay. Okay. So, this one I have a 4. 2 plus 2y plus y gives us what? 3y. And when you say y means 1y. Then I have 2y. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So 3y, right? Then equals what? 7. The next is what? Connect what? Like terms, right? So 3y equals 7. So cross and comes what? Minus 4. You get me? Okay. So my 3y equals 7 minus 4 is what? Divide both side by what? 3. So 3y all over 3 equals 3 all over 3. That not? 3 cancel 3. So I have my what?
3 and 3 are 1.
My y equals 3 over 3, which is what? 1. Right? So my y is 1. Alright? Then after getting my y, remember that I was having how many unknown? 2. X and y. So I've gotten my y to be what? 1. So substitute again. Substitute 1 for y. Put it this way so that to contain. Substitute SUB 1 for y in equation. Okay, I use equation 1. I use equation 1, I use equation 2. Any of the equation you're using is going to get what? Same answer. So I say substitute 1 for y in equation what? Equation 1. Right? What is the equation 1?
2x plus y equals to 7.
So any case I see y, I'll put what? 1. So I have 2x plus instead of y.
1, 7.
So my 2x equals 7. Collect items. Alright? So 2x equals 7. This plus 1 becomes what? Minus 1, right? So my 2x equals what? 6. What should I do here? You divide both sides by what? 2. So 2 cancel 2. So my x is what? 3. Rather, sorry. My x equals what? 3. So therefore, my x is what? 3. While my y is what? 1. Right? So that is how to solve this equation using substitution method. Are you done with that?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's solve one more question. Then I'll give you another class of based on this topic. Alright? So you understand more that in English. This one should be what? 3 and 4. Remember the first one was this one is now what? 5. No. 1, 2, 3. No. This one will work 4. I'm numbering the board so that this one should be what? 5. So here should be what? 6. Again, this play down is 7. We can clean this play down should be what? 8. You understand how I'm doing? When you are done with like 4, you write 5. Alright? The next one will be what? 6, 7. You write this one again, 8. I'm numbering the board so that you won't be confused when you are talking. So you get me? Okay. Yeah, that should be like high and low. Okay. Let me pick. Now look at this one now. Q stand for what? Question. You see it. Alright? So the question I have is it said y equals x plus 1. Abi? Yes. Another one I have is what? X plus y equals what? 3. Okay? Now this one now. Firstly, to make it easier, right? Do what? We arrange. We see this one is scattered. Okay? This one is well arranged. So you should do what? We arrange this to correspond with the second one to make it easier for you to what to solve, right? Okay. Now rearrange solution. Rearrange the equation. Right? Now this one is x, y. I'm going to use it, right? I'll start it alphabetically. X before y. Right? So I will bring x to this side by saying this is minus x. This is plus x. So when you cross this equality sign, that comes to what? Minus x. This is plus y. Plus y equals 1. 1 will still remain because it has not crossed the equality sign. Do you understand? This is this. Okay, let's argue what x plus y equals 3. Alright? So I can now label this as equation 1 as equation 2. Okay? Nice one. Now, remember, I'm to make any of the unknown the subject of the formula. Right? So I can start to say, okay, from equation 2. From equation 2, I'll make x the subject of the formula. I can also make y the subject of the formula. I should do the same thing. Right? By making x the subject of the formula, I say x equals 3. This is plus y, right? If you cross and consult minus y. You get me?
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, I now say substitute 3 minus y for what? X in equation 1. Okay? Which means that any place I see x, or x in equation 1, I should put what? 3 minus what? Y.
So yes. Minus y.
Yeah. So my equation 1 is what? Minus x plus y equals what? 1. Right? Okay. So now I say this is x now. And the value of x is what? 3 minus y. So I say minus. Inside into bracket, instead of x, I'll put 3 minus y. Do you see me? Then plus y equals what? 1. She gets. I'll now remove this bracket. I'll use this minus to multiply everything inside this bracket. So this is 3. Minus plus 3 rather. So minus times plus is what? Minus. I mean I have my minus times 3 what? Minus 3. Minus times minus is what? Plus y. Are you getting me? Then plus y equals what? 1. And I have minus 3 plus y plus y equals what? 2y equals what? 1. She gets. Okay, so I'll collect like or terms. You are true with this side, right? Okay. I'll collect like term by saying 2y equals 1. This is minus 3. To cross and becomes what? Plus 3. So my 2y equals what? 4. What should I do here? I have what? 2. Is that not? Okay, so I have 2y all over 2 equals 4 all over 2. You get? So 2 cancel 2. My y is what? That's 2. Alright? You get that? Hmm? It's simple. Both are simple. Alright? But you use this one when you discover that one of the unknown, one or two of the equation of unknown is what? 1. Alright? Okay. Then I've gotten my y. Now left for me to get what? 8 is x equals 3 minus y. It is not the value of x. Don't solve when you get y here. And now say, oh, I've gotten my x. This is not the value of x. Alright? And look at the value of x here now. So we discover that x still has what? Minus y. Alright? It is still unknown. She gets me. So when you make this one, I just making x the subject of the formula. Then you get the value of y. Then after that, you substitute for y in any of the equation, whether equation 1 or equation 2, to get the value of what? X. Alright, so I'll say substitute what? 2 for y in equation. I use equation 1. This equation 1. What is my equation 1? This is my equation 1, Abby. So minus x. My equation 1 is what? Minus x plus y equals what? 1. You understand what I mean? I'm just trying to keep this side because today you are not done with this side. Okay. Let's substitute 2 for y in equation 1.
Well, done with this side.
We're done with this side. Okay. I've already done that. No problem. So when you are done with this, you write this, you got that side. Okay. So my equation 1 is minus 1 plus y equals 1. This is my y. Alright? So it means that anything I see y in this equation, I should do what? 2. You get? So I found this, I said minus x plus instead of y, 2 equals what? 1. Is that not? So my minus collect what? Like term. Minus x equals 1. So cross and becomes what? Minus 2. You get me? Now minus x equals 1 minus 2 is what?
1.
Minus 1.
Okay, minus 4.
So what should I do? I divide both sides by what is coefficient of minus x is what?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Right? So divide both sides by what? Minus 1. Minus x all over minus 1 equals minus 1 all over minus 1. So minus 1 cancel minus 1. X equals minus cancel minus
1.
My x is 1, right? So therefore, my x equals 1, while my y is what?
2.
2. That's my answer. Alright?
I'm cleaning this answer.
Showing yourself. Okay. Now based on that, I'll give you class work. Now it's on number 9 now. What page is that? Page 137. Page 137. Exercise. What exercise? 14C. question 6 to 10. Right? From 6 to 10. That's our classwork.
Okay.
Right? Do it. How many questions? 6 to 10. How many questions do you have there? Ah, it's 5 questions, right? 5 questions. So I will give you 5 minutes for 5 questions. It's okay now. One question for 1 minute. Hmm? You have to be fast. I'll give you
But
6
I don't like
minutes.
this one. I feel like this one.
Hmm. I'll give you 6 minutes.